All right, beautiful people, welcome back to It's Tashima here, bringing you everything you're going to need to be able to transition into business and create a quality business and quality life. So let's go ahead and jump right in it. You all know the rules. Like, comment, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you can get notifications when I post. All right, so in this video, and I know in a previous video I spoke on the importance of having a niche and why you guys need to be choosing a niche when getting into business, but I didn't tell you the secret to finding a good niche. And when you know you have a good niche, stay tuned. Alright, so let's just jump right into it. There are 3 things that I am always looking for when either helping a client to determine a niche or even starting out once I got the hang of things, what I was looking for when determining a niche. So let me just be honest and transparent with y'all. The girl didn't have no niche starting out. I definitely struggled not having a niche. And then even when I started to find a niche, I ran into issues, and I'm going to talk to you all about that in this video. Starting out though, the number one thing you want to be looking for when trying to determine if you are in the right niche or if your niche is right for you is if there's any urgency in that niche. Are people having sleepless nights about whatever specific need that they're having? Are they actively searching for someone to help them with that thing that you're saying you can help them with? That is super duper 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 important. You want to be able to be meeting people halfway. And let me just keep it real. People always want to invent the wheel. Stop it. Stop it. There are problems out there, and there are people who are already servicing those problems, but those people are not you. Hop in there. If you see that there is a market for it, hop in there. Stop trying to recreate the wheel. Like, it's too much. It's too much. Like, there are a lot of ways for you to figure out if there's urgency in the niche that you are basically promoting and marketing yourself for. There are plenty of ways, and the biggest way to find out is just to see what your market is talking about. They'll tell you if it's an urgent problem for them or not, and you just need to listen. Sometimes people just want to create urgency. Stop trying to create urgency. You want people to meet you halfway. So you want people to also be searching for you in Google and YouTube, searching for that problem that you say that you can help people with. That's what you want. All right. Number 2 is what you're servicing, or the problem that you say you're here to fix. Is it making money? That's like the most important question to me. Is it making money? A lot of times, and I know I've done a video on this before, a lot of times people want to just work in their passion, and that's not enough. You need to be working in an area that is profitable and can make you some money so that you can go and do and live in your passion or fulfill whatever purpose it is you're supposed to be fulfilling. But starting out, is the niche that you are saying you want to work in, is it making money? Is it a profitable niche? Is it a market where people are actually spending money? If not, you need to reconsider. Number 3, and this is like most important, do you have results? Can you show and prove that you can help people in this area that you say you can help people with? Listen, when I ask people that question, you can tell when people don't have the results and when they do, because some people get offended by that. Don't be offended. Take a second, think about it. Do you have results in that area? Can you actually help people in that area? Do you have people that can provide you with positive feedback on the results that you provided them with? If not, that's an easy fix. I don't want you all to be, discouraged by me saying this, but it's something that you can get through. Create those results. It's simple as that. Find you some beta clients, find some family and friends who you can test those results out with, and have them leave a review. But you want to be able to show and prove that you have helped someone in the area that you're promoting that you can help people in. That is going to be very, very important. And I want to bring this up so that you all know I'm not just talking out the side of my neck. I'm speaking from experience. When I decided to work in the entertainment industry, it wasn't more so because I just had results in this industry. It was because I always wanted to work in the entertainment industry, like always, but I couldn't sing, couldn't really dance like that. You know, I'm not no rapper. And that was my biggest thing. I didn't have the creativity to do the in the front of the scene things that I could do. So I had to do the behind the scene things. And that was accounting. I knew that everyone needed an accountant. But here's the issue. People in that industry, especially when you're working with the small time people who are not necessarily a major label, they don't have no urgency in having no accountant. Maybe for taxes. But now for an accountant to do the month-to-month bookkeeping and all of this and all that, they don't have an urgency for that. So I struggle a little to be able to even touch something. But here's the thing. They needed an accountant. They just didn't know it. And what you all have to remember is people will pay for that urgency, or people will pay for what they want. So what I noticed is that people had that urgency in taxes, but they didn't have that urgency in accounting. So how I got them was I would present it with taxes. I would talk to them about taxes, and then I will bring in the accounting aspect of it and how we can help them in the accounting and how the accounting goes with the taxes and how all of that is working together. And that's how I was able to get them. But at the end of the day, when I tried to get those clients based off of just the accounting aspect alone, there was no urgency there. And again, that's something I had to learn. So I say these things to say, I want you to get ahead in business. And there are ways for you to get ahead in business. People are spending money out here. You just have to figure out what they're spending it on. Start listening. Start reading comments to see what your target market is talking about, because that will take you a very long way. So of course, it's Tashima bringing you everything you're going to need to help you create a quality business. And I will see you all next week.